Alright guys, today I'm giving you a guide on how you can get started in calisthenics. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, you see I'm all sweaty, and let's go to the first tip, doing cardio. Okay, so when you're starting calisthenics is more based towards skinnier people, more lean people. So you're gonna wanna do cardio, and if you're overweight, then do cardio, do light calisthenics, but do cardio like every day. Honestly, do 30 minutes cardio to an hour cardio every day. And you gotta find ways to spice up. People say cardio is gonna steal all your gains. No, man. If you do the right amount, just don't do too much. Do like high intensity versions of it. Like I play a lot of basketball, jump workouts, sprints, and even super low intensity, like just walking, but never really jogging. So that's my first tip. Do cardio when you're starting calisthenics. All right guys, now here's my second tip. Here's what I did personally when I started. I did a full body split. So this is basically a workout. I did a full body workout. I did this 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how my schedule went, because I was in sports still. So my legs will always be tired just from playing soccer. So I actually did a split to where I involved chest, so push-ups, several push-up variations, and I'll drop a exact workout I'm gonna do right here. So, you know, that's the exact workout that I did for the first 8 months starting against this calisthenics. I went from 130 pounds to about 140 maybe by the end of that summer. And then, you know, I just kept going. And now I'm probably like 170. But yeah, so with calisthenics, I did a full body split when you're starting off, because you're not gonna be able to work out all the time. For me, I had to get into the flow of it, and I was always tired from sports and the schoolwork. So this is something you could do simple Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday if you got some extra time. Just really push yourself. All right guys, now tip number 3 is fix your diet. So in terms of diet, you know, I'm gonna add getting enough water into this one too. But with your diet, just getting enough protein in your body. This is a big problem for me. I could never get enough protein in my body because my appetite was super small. I just couldn't eat like that because I didn't eat growing up that much. So this is something that you will have to adjust, and honestly, at times I had to force feed myself to really get to my calorie goals. So I got MyFitnessPal, and I started just hitting those goals every single day. So by doing that, it really expanded my appetite to where I could eat more, and it's gonna really go straight to my muscles. And it's not gonna, like, I'm not gonna be skinny but lean. I want to have some mass on me. So just make sure your diet's on point. And with water, you gotta get, I've seen people say an ounce for every like 10 pounds or something. For me, I do a gallon of water every day. That's a good one anyone could do, as long as you just really have that jug with you and drink it throughout the day. Drinking water is superb for building muscle. And you know, it helps you get clearer skin, because I had super bad acne growing up. So it really helped clear my skin up. And it's just all kinds of benefits. And you should be drinking water anyway. You'll be dehydrated. So always drink your water. All right guys, and this is my last tip. Calisthenics is very cool, it's unique. Many people don't do it because it's a little easier to build muscle lifting weights. And I lift weights as well, but when I first started, I do calisthenics. So I do both. But calisthenics is it's different, it's unique. And when you get advanced in calisthenics, you can do handstands, you can do the pistol squat, you can do one-arm push-ups. And this is just really the key into staying motivated in it. Because you're not gonna be able, you'll be able to do more reps, but you're not supposed to do more reps. You're supposed to do new variations that are gonna be harder for you. So changing the leverages, you know, it's just a lot you can do about it, and it's a lot of research. It's a lot of research I've done over time. And I'll drop several more videos if you guys request it, like how to do a one-arm push-up, how to do a push correctly, how to do a pistol squat. I'll do several videos, tutorials on how to do that as well. So that'll probably be coming later this week or this month. So subscribe, make sure you stay tuned for that. And you know what, since you guys stayed, I'm gonna give you another bonus tip. And this one is bring intensity. So when you're in the gym, when you're working out or in the gym anywhere, or just at the house, you gotta work out till you're like last rep, till you got nothing left in you. And this is the way I do it. I see a lot of people in the gym, been working out for years and they made no progression. But for me, every year I progress a good amount. I gain more size now and then, and my chest has been really great. Just doing a mix of calisthenics. And that's really because whenever I do my push-ups, whenever I'm doing my push-up routines or anything, I'm maxing out. I'm doing clapping push-ups or explosive push-ups, and my chest is gonna be burnt out, my arms are gonna be burnt out, or even when I work my core, my abs are gonna be through. I'm gonna be hurting the next day. Or that's the goal, at least, trying to make myself uncomfortable. Or even my legs, I always try to push my legs extremely hard to become a better dunker, as well as making them more aesthetic. All right, guys, so that last one was intensity. And that's about the end of the video, guys. I hope you stay tuned. And announcement, when I hit probably 5,000 or 10,000, I'm gonna release, I got this jumping program that I created myself when I first started. So I'll make it free. Honestly, since my subscriber count is pretty low right now, like pretty standard, I'll probably just make it to where you DM me on Instagram, follow, and probably put something on your story. But more details coming soon. But stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.